Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. Today we're going to take a look at the music player on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. So we're going to navigate to the music player. It's in the apps section, so I'm going to click to the right until I hear apps, or more apps actually.
Messages 2 of 9.
Let me turn this up.
Volume 6. Volume 7. Contacts. More applications 4 of 9.
There you go. I'm going to click OK.
Tools 1 of 4.
Now the music player is in the media.
Vision aids 4 of 4. Media 3 of 4.
There's media. I'm going to click OK.
Music player 1 of 6.
And the very first one we have is the music player, so I'm going to click OK into that.
Resume playback 1 of 5.
Now our first option is resume playback, so you can start up where you left off.
All songs 2 of 5.
We can take a look at all the songs in our music folder here.
Artists 3 of 5.
We can separate by artists,
Albums 4 of 5.
separate by albums,
Favorites 5 of 5.
or we can assign favorites and jump right to those. And that's a good idea if you have just a ton of music saved on here. That would be an easy way to kind of organize everything. But let's go back.
All songs 2 of 5. Artists 3 of 5.
I think I only have one album on here, so let's check.
Hamilton Broadway cast 1 of 2. Search 2 of 2.
Yeah, so I only have I only have the Hamilton soundtrack on here, which is a fantastic soundtrack. If anybody ever would like to listen to that, I love it. That's all I have on here. If I had more, it would obviously have them separated, and then you have the option to search through your artists. I'm gonna go back.
Artists 3 of 5. Albums 4 of 5.
Like I said, I only have one album, but let's go in here and see what it sounds like anyway.
Hamilton Broadway cast 1 of 2.
There you go.
Search 2 of 2.
And here we have a search as well. So just like searching by the artist, you can search by album.
Albums 4 of 5.
But let's go back.
Artists, all songs 2 of 5.
All songs.
The Winter's Ball, Hamilton Broadway cast 1 of 47.
1 of 47. There's actually 46 songs in this soundtrack. It's a huge soundtrack. The 47th option is our search once again. So you can search by song name.
Aaron Burr, Sir, Alexander Hamilton, Hamilton Broadway cast 3 of 47.
So once you find something that you want to listen to, you simply click on it.
Playing, Alexander Hamilton, Hamilton Broadway cast. Move in song, 1 of 2.
Now, I clicked OK to pause the song. Number one, I don't want to get hit with a copyright strike here because I played the music that I don't have license to play on the internet, but also to show you what the options are when you do this. So the first one.
Move in song, 1 of 2. Save to favorites, 2. Move in song, 1 of 2.
So move in song. And the second one here.
Save to favorites, 2 of 2.
Save to favorites. So we can save this song as a favorite. I'm going to go back to move in song.
Move in song, 1 of 2.
Click into that.
Rewind mode active. Playing, Alexander Hamilton, Hamilton Broadway cast. Move in song, 1 of 2.
So the end call button, the second button down on the right, also pauses the song. But we don't get any kind of options. It's just a flat out pause. But we get some information. It tells us where we are in the song. Now, you may have heard, but I was clicking left and right on the directional pads, and that will jump us to the next song or the previous song. So if we're right in the middle of listening to a song and we're done listening to it, we can just click to the right to jump to the next song. So those are your controls for the music player. A question that we get asked often is there a way to shuffle the music? And unfortunately, no, not at this moment. We don't have a shuffle option in the music player. So now the other question is, how do you get music onto the BlindShell Classic phone? Well, to add music, you can do that in two ways. The first way is to connect your phone to a computer using the provided charging cable. Then you can copy your music files into the music folder that is located on the phone. The second way is to create a music folder on an SD card. So you just put a folder on there, you title it music with a capital M, and you load your music into that folder. Then when you put the SD card into the phone, all that music will load into the music app. So that is how to use the music player. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have any other questions, please let us know. If you'd like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic mobile phone can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and check out our other tutorial videos.